Hello guys, so as in my last videos we have discussed about ClickFunnels and GetResponse, and we have made a video how to connect that to each other, and we have created a funnel, right? So now I will tell you how to use GetResponse to send emails, right, properly. And after that I'll be making videos how to drag your traffic to your link, right? So let's begin with the GetResponse. So as you know, once we log in, right, so you will be here. This is your dashboard, right? So here you can see how many emails. This is, I have just created this a new account so that I can tell you how to use this properly. So if you go to the list section, so you will see your list here, right? You can create different list according to your product, right? And if you go to the reports, you can see how many people have opened your email and how many people did not, right? At the end of this I will definitely show you how to like my personal account so that you can see, right? So, and now I'll tell you how to send an email after you have emails in your system, and how to create an autoresponder so that once people come in they can go through that flow, right? So now I'll first show you how to create your autoresponder. Go to menu, go to autoresponders, right? So once you go to autoresponder, you will see the templates you have to create, right? So now you will click here, create autoresponder, right? So what is this? You have to select your date and time when you want to send people an email, right? So what I have done is I have sequence of emails. So I will choose like this: first message, and then once people sign in they will get same time as they sign up, right? And any day it can be sent on any day. And then I told you like how to make your professional email and then add that email here and then use that email, right? Otherwise your email can go into the spam, right? And then you have to choose a subject line here, what is the subject you're talking about, and then you have to create your design. Once you click on design you will get so many design and you can write your email. So if you are doing Legendary Marketer and Jonathan's training, do you have templates there? So use that template, right? So once you do this, you have to just save and publish, and then according to the people they will come join list, the message will be sent to them. And one more important thing, to which list you want to send that message. You can see here downside of this there is a option to select the list, so choose that list to send the message, right? So this is how we create our autoresponder, and you can create as many as you can, right? So you can also, like you can see here there are so many options. I will tell you to go through all these options in the getter because it is so helpful, right? And now I'll show you how to just send a random message to people, right? So you have to go to create, right? Create a newsletter. So once you create a newsletter you will see the message here, right? So this title of this message is like for just for you, right? So you can type affiliate, right? Whatever like you wanna write, you can write here. I will write second message, okay, right? And then you can choose your list, and then you can choose the email you want to send from and receive from, right? And then subject line you can choose. I will just choose anything. Offer for today only. Make sure you have like letters, and then you can add emojis here, right? You can add emoji here like we are giving any offer, and sorry, not here, at the end. And yes, and then from here you can add the list whichever you want to select. Go for all the list, because yeah, if you have so many lists and you want to send to a particular list you can choose that, right? And then from here you have to create a design like what email you want to send. right? After you see you have so many templates, but I usually like the blank, right, and blank email. So I will use a template, and I'll tell you how to add your link to the email, right? So like this is a template. If you don't want logo, click on here and just turn off that, right? And here go to back to layout and drag your text here. So now you can write this. Okay, so I will write any email here, small email. Click here to get access, right? And now you can see, you can write like as long as words you want, but I want to show you how to add your links. Just select this and you can see here, this is this, right? And click here and web address, and now you have to add your link to which you want to connect, right? And insert that. You will see this is now a clickable link. So once you click here, like you will go to the page where you want to send your people, right? How easy is that? Just click here and go to this option and then just insert the link here, right? Now I can also show you like this is working or not. Preview, always preview your message, because we want to make sure it is working, right? And yes, it is working, like the link is working. So now go to back layout, click on next. After adding anything you can add from here, right? So click on next. Yes, so once you click on next, you can see we have selected everything, and now you can see you are good to go. Here we can see like there is a no spam in our email, and choose this option. I like this option. This is perfect timing. Like this email will be sent to the people in their perfect time, right? When they can see. Now just simply choose the perfect timing and everything and click on send. That's it. And simply after 55 seconds or like after 1 minute it will be sent. If you don't want to send, and if you have made any mistake, just click here, don't send it, view your message online, right? So you can do this. Now this is very simple to send the message. I just want to tell you one thing. Go to your list and you have to turn off one setting. Go to your list and on the right side three dots, edit settings, because once someone sign up to your list they get confirmation message, and make sure you don't want to send that, right? So what you have to go to list, click on the right three dots, go to subscription here, and now make this and turn off, right? You have to required, just let me see. You can receive an email every time somebody sign up. Yes, so you have to click first one and you have to choose which email you want, because you will receive a message if someone enter their email, right? That is so useful. I really like it. And these two, what you have to do is just on and off, on and off. Why? Because you don't want to send double opt-in. It means they will send an email from you if someone is entering their email into your opt-in page. You don't want to do that, because people sometimes they don't confirm, right? So they will be like inactive contacts in get response, so you don't want to do that, right? So just do these things, turn this on, turn these two off, and save subscription setting. That's it. Now once it is saved, it's all done. Now your people will not get that message to confirm their email, and you will receive a message if someone enter email in your opt-in page, right? This is so good option, right? You can choose this one. And now with the autoresponder you can create as many sequence you can, and you have an automation system as well. What is automation? It is so good, and they have training how to do automation, and I would reckon, like, seriously, it's so good. I do this one basically. And now you can see here, or they have automation templates and everything is in there, and you have to start a workflow. Like you create a workflow, like if someone is joining through list, what, so you want to make sure like if they are buying, then they are going to a one sequence. If they are not buying, then they are going to a different sequence. So you can see they have different templates as well, but you can also build it from scratch. It is very easy to build from scratch. Like you can do anything. You can see they have templates like related to affiliate marketing as well. We can check what it is in there. Right, look, this is a template. I'll show you. So subscribed via list. If someone is subscribed, wait for 1 day and then select a message to send. Right, how to select this message? Click here. Once you click on this option, you have to send this message, right? Newsletter, you can choose any message, first message which you have created, right? So you can choose any. When any newsletter link clicked, it means when they clicked here, then you, which message you want to send, this one. When they don't click, then this one, right? And how you have to connect this to each other, like from here you can see like this, you can connect these messages. And you, if you want to add more things like to this, you can actually do that, and you can connect that to this one. Like you can create this as long as you can, and you can also go with the flow, and you can add as many messages you can. So like send message again, you can just extend this one. And this is really good, like you can actually track your things, that if people are opening, then they are going to a different flow. If people are not opening, of course they are going to a different flow. That really makes sense, right? You can connect this to, like from here you can do this like this with this. So like this you can connect things, right? So this is really good. And once you do this and click on anything, you see you can do settings, right? Send message, you can create new message and then select that one. So it's very simple to create a flow, and they have full training inside the system that you can actually do. And just simply save and publish, and it is all done, right? So yeah, we'll do this, save and publish. Okay, right. And yes, it is really useful for your business, right? And very powerful tool. You can actually connect people with the email, and email marketing is really important in affiliate marketing. You have to collect emails. For example, you are promoting on TikTok, Facebook, and TikTok can ban you at any time. Facebook, YouTube, these are social media, they can ban you at any time. So you should have people emails to contact them, right? So my account is all set up with these all things, and hopefully this video will help you to set up your account as well, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be ending this video, and subscribe and like to my channel so that you can see upcoming videos, right? Thank you.